Watch as she recognizes the sound of baby Galileo. Oh, it's on. My stories are on. I better turn around. Hi. Hey, beautiful. You goofball. Hi, beautiful. I was just feeding her carrots and Jim said this outfit was white before we started. Anyway. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hey, beautiful. I said, hey, little dolphin, would you like to take a swim with me?